We're at the beginning of a new wave of research. Our creative powers are being stretched. We're learning surprising things about how we sense the world around us. Exploring the mysteries of the spoken word.
Noise.
Exploring the mysteries of the spoken word.
Nice.
Please.
Nice.
Thank you for this unsolicited
Noise.
testimony. And now, by special permission of the Commander-in-Chief, here
It
is
appears to
Mars'
us that the
first
resistors should
space
track very well with one
explorer,
another.
Colonel
So I think in the first go-around here, we should make all the resistors very close.
Response out of is you don't know what it's exactly going to do in terms of images.
It's interesting to me that you say the unexpected things.
Yeah.
Because in a sense, the computer has done exactly what you
one.
told it to do, right?
Say that this trip was made possible only by our dauntless chief, Og the Magnificent, introducer of Og, which runs most of our industry, an inventor of Og speed, which doubles the original Og power. A short time ago, the master was having trouble with the state limousine. He had, of course, developed the explosive charge. But it was inclined to get a little out of hand, just slightly. And of course, there was always the problem of friction. Parts rubbing together, heating up, and causing all sorts of trouble. But our leader was undaunted. He immediately ordered our first expedition into space to bring back the secret of how other planets got their state limousines to run
We left out the
smoothly.
input impedance.
The target was
make that
picked
1
with
meg.
painstaking scientific
Okay, let's try
accuracy.
again.
In the weightless environment of an orbiting
The design
spacecraft,
is complete.
surface forces
But it
dominate
wouldn't
the
work.
behavior of water drops.
You all know with what eagerness I volunteered for the mission, and with what confidence I took off. I took careful bearings and set out for my goal.
We certainly
It
don't have to
seemed
worry
no
about
time
the
till I was
amplifier
approaching a
using
country
based on
of Earth
this.
called,
On
the
some of these letter things here, we're not doing it right.
United
It's too
States of
gray.
America.
How much trouble is it to get
I
that
set her
changed to
down
some
like
other
a
color?
feather.
Just find the right place in the program. Make the appropriate change and we'll run the whole thing again. Let's make what you say, down
What's
one
all the
square
racket?
and right one square. So you see
Naturally,
what we'll
I
get this.
protected government property by making the saucer invisible. They're after the chickens, Ma! And though the natives showed great interest in me, I decided to make myself invisible, too. Seeing moving lights in the distance, I headed for them. What phenomenal luck! I had landed close to what seemed to be an endless procession of state limousines. They moved quickly, and yet with fantastic smoothness. I just had to get a closer look at one of those Earthmobiles. smooth and efficient,
microscopic droplets.
but powerful as
This
well.
process is not completely
I
understood.
watched them for hours. Great Ganymede, they were superb. I just couldn't help comparing them with ours. If you call that a comparison.